Hey guys, this is Pamela Lewis. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. So today's topic, we're going to talk about one of the programs that we have in our Hampton Roads area that help future homeowners, so that would be you. If you're looking to purchase a home and you need some assistance with knowing what to do, or let's just say you have some credit challenges, not a big deal. You probably heard me say that in other videos. Not a big deal because there are programs out there and it's free. It's free, people. Free programs. So I'm not knocking anybody's hustle. There's so many programs out there that want to charge you money to repair your credit, and that's fine. But what I do want to have happen for our community is for people to know that there's free options that they don't have to pay for people to help their credit. So this is one of the options. There's so many other ones, and I'll have videos about those because you need to know about those. And then if you have any questions, let me know too. I'll put my contact information down in written down below the video so you can check that out. Subscribe to my channel so you'll be able to get a notification when I have future videos come out. And I will be doing a lot of videos on credit repair, buying a home with no money down, and things you should know about that. So there's so many things. Also, too, if you're thinking about turning your house into a rental property, we also do property management, so I'll be discussing that. But to get to the topic that we're talking about today, which is HR CAP, Hampton Roads Action, Hampton Roads Community Action Program. They're out of Newport News, but they do service both sides of the water. So they essentially are helping people at any income level to help them purchase a home. One of the programs that they have is this credit enhancement program. And if you saw me on IG TV, you heard me talk about this $2,000 money that they will give to for your creditors. So I wanted to find more information about that because if you know me, I get excited when I hear things about that. But I wanted to get more details so I don't send a mass of people there and then they can't get any assistance. That would just make me upset. So I heard back from them. They essentially every year get funding for enough for 10 people to assist. And what they're doing is they're paying up to $2,000 to anybody on your credit to help you purchase a home. But from the guest speaking spot, it sounds like to me they are negotiating down what you owe. So the things on the street that we know about that will kind of deter you from getting a home loan would be like utility companies, any landlords, credit cards. Typically, medical expenses are not going to deter you from getting a home loan. So essentially, they're going to call to negotiate that, and they'll do up to $2,000. So if they can do, I think, $1,000 or $500, that's the most they'll give to your creditor. So I thought that was awesome for you guys to know. So the money is available at the beginning of the year, and I think it's first come, first serve. You do have to go through a couple of their programs to be able to get that money, and I think it's 4 different series of credit enhancement that they have. But I mean, shoot, during that credit enhancement, I'm sure they're going to teach you about budgeting, which you definitely need to know when you own a house, because I know there's people who say, well, if I own a home, I'm not going to have any money for repairs. Well, that means you don't know how to budget, because you got to budget for the things that are going to happen in a home. A home is just like a car or just like anything else. Things break down. We're human. We break down. We have to go to the doctor. So we plan for that, right? So I also wanted to find out about that portion about Section 8 because I thought that was huge. Now, I went through a training course about 10 years, but that stuff went right over my head. So if it went over my head, I know that stuff goes over your head. I'm finding out more information about that too. If you're on Section 8, from my understanding, the government will help you for 15 years with providing money for the mortgage, right? So I'm trying to find more information. If you're on Section 8, you definitely can use this program. It doesn't matter what income level, again, but they will help you. And it sounds like they use their funding through VHDA. If you don't know what VHGA is, I'll put that down in the comments too, but I'll also have another video on that because that program is huge for first-time homebuyers. But there's so many first-time homebuyer programs that you could get with no money down. And I'll be having videos about that. But if you have questions now, let me know. Hit me up. I'll put my contact information in the comments. But I at least wanted to tell you about this one program that we have in the Hampton Roads area. And if you're not from here, the Hampton Roads area is basically 7 cities, and then there's a couple of counties. But there are 2 bridges that separate 5 cities from 2 cities. So you'll hear Tidewater, Hampton Road, 757. Anyway, that's our area. That's the information. I hope this helped you out. If you have any comments, comment below. I would love to hear from you. Have a good day.